Hello, little man. Today, let's disassemble these Logitech Z213 speaker babies. But this video wouldn't be possible without the help of Oneodio headphone manufacturer. Thanks to them, we will now also have good closed headphones for monitoring sound recordings. Well, let's get to the first look and also disassembly of these speakers.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left.
You should hear us talk about the Oneodio Monitor 60 high-res headphones, which pleasantly surprised us because we don't have to spend several $100s anymore to get a very high-quality headset. These particular ones cost much less than $100 and comes with rich features and benefits. Metal sliders on both sides, compact foldable design, traveling and storage bag, easy use for single-side monitoring, detachable cable and shelf-proof options, very soft memory earpads with good sound isolation. Comes with 1.2 meter cable with microphone for daily use, 3 meter cable for PC or TV, and cold cable with large jack for monitoring. Oneodio Monitor 60 impressed us not only with the setup but also with a very good, balanced and powerful sound. These headphones can be used with any audio equipment, but the real pleasure we got was connecting them to the headphone amp. Then they become the biggest music festival on your head. So powerful! If you also want to treat yourself to a new pair of headphones, Oneodio has a wide selection of headphones to suit all tastes. The link will be in the description. Once again, thank you very much Oneodio for supporting our channel, and now continue enjoying today's Logitech speaker disassembly video.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love